What if I told you that just 3 days ago OpenAI dropped the most revolution AI model ever created? GPT-5 is not just an upgrade, it's a complete game changer that making every previous AI model look like a calculator. Stay tuned because what you are about to learn will blow your mind. Welcome back to Neurofuture, and today we are diving deep into GPT-5, OpenAI latest masterpiece that was just released on 7th August 2025. This is not just another AI update, this is a future arriving right now, and the best part, everyone can use it for free. What make GPT-5 special? What make GPT-5 so incredible? Look, first, it's not just one model, it's a unified system with three components working together. We have got a smart, efficient model for everyday questions, a deeper reasoning model called GPT-5 Thinking for complex problem, and a real-time rotator that automatically decided which one to use. It's like having a team of PhD level experts that is instantly know whether to give you a quick answer or think deeply about your problem. Mind blowing capability. The results are absolutely insane. In coding, GPT-5 can create beautiful responsive website with just one prompt. I am talking about full application with perfectly spacing, typography, and design sense. It scored 94.6 on advanced mathematics test and 88 on coding benchmark. That better than the most human expert. But here what really make me excited, GPT-5 is 6 times more accurate when generating long format content. It finally reliable enough for serious professional work. Three game changing features. Let me highlight three features that change everything. First, vibe coding. You can literally describe an app idea in plain English, and GPT-5 will build in a second. During OpenAI demo, they asked for a French learning app with flashcard and process tracking. Boom, two different versions generated instantly. Second, health intelligence. GPT-5 scored 46.2 on health bench hard, the highest ever achieved. It like having a medical research assistant that can help you understand symptoms, ask better questions to your doctor, and make informed health decisions. Third, true reasoning. When you ask GPT-5 to think hard about something, it's actually show its reasoning process. It can solve graduate level scientific problem and perform better than expert in about half of all complex knowledge work tasks. What this mean for you? Here why this matters. GPT-5 is rolling out to all users free plus and pro. If you are a content creator, developer, student, professional, this is your new superpower. It's less like talking to an AI and more like chatting with a brilliant friend who happen to have multiple PhD degrees. The efficiency gains are incredible too. GPT-5 get better result with 50 to 80% less thinking time than previous reasoning models. That mean faster response without sacrifice quality. Now is final conclusion. I have been testing GPT-5 for the past few days, and honestly going back to GPT-4 feel like very strange. That coming from OpenAI CEO Sam Altman himself. So here what I want you to do right now, go to gpt.com, try GPT-5 for yourself, and let me know in the comment what you create with it. Are you going to build an app, write a novel, solve a complex problem you have been stuck on? If this video opened your eyes to the future of AI, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting edge AI content, and ring that notification bell because GPT-5 is just the beginning. The AI revolution is escalating, and I will make sure you stay ahead for the curve. Thanks for watching Neurofuture, and I will see you in the next video.